The hospital really spawned about 50 plus years ago, and it began to take creation around a kitchen table, they tell me. And there were conversations that the community needed a hospital to take care of its folks. And there was a fella named Frank Imes, and Frank, they tell me, used to sit down on the highway down around Seven Corners with a megaphone talking about the need for the hospital and to get the community energized in order to donate some funds to help develop it. Because I believe at that time, the way I understand it, there was a commitment from the community, but there had to be some matching dollars, and he was able to achieve that. So I believe ground was broke in about 1958, and the hospital as we knew it then opened in late 1961. And it was sort of a fortuitous opening because it was scheduled to open at an appointed hour, and about 30 minutes prior to its opening, a lady showed up in labor and a baby was born. You know, the community continued to respond and the need continued to grow. We began to add services. We began to add education. We began to add more specialized physicians. And as time went on, we began to do some really what we considered to be first in the area and even within the region. Our open heart program was developed by Dr. Lafrac, who was brought here to Inova Fairfax to develop that program. We opened up the Inova Heart and Vascular Hospital on this campus, and the largest phase 1 research center, we believe, in the nation. We then opened the South Patient Tower as our med-surg demand continued to grow. We began working on a new environment for the Women's Hospital, as well as a dedicated environment for the Children's Hospital. Here at Fairfax, we have in the Women's Hospital right around 10,000 babies born here last year. And of those 10,000 babies, we have a 100-bed NICU, which is the neonatal intensive care unit. We are growing, and as you know, we acquired the property across the street, the old ExxonMobil property. We have branded that facility as the Inova Center for Personalized Health. Our new cancer center is opening up across the street on that property. We're going to have state-of-the-art care. We're going to have research-driven protocols. It's exciting, and it's exciting to be a part of that.